Hey, welcome back, YouTube. Guess what happened yesterday? I got the registration for the boat. So now we're gonna get back on the boat so we can go try to enjoy it. But I went to move it in the garage to finish up the last little bit. You know, we finally got all the other parts for the fish finder and the trolling motor about a month ago, but I was waiting on the registration to get it all together and get it to where we can get it into the garage and work on it. But the tire blew. It was all dry rotted. I knew it was, but I was just waiting for it to be kind of the last deal, the last part to go get. So here I am on the way to Walmart to buy 2 tires and wheels and tires for it, so I can get it in the garage and get it finished up. So it's coming. Peace out. Watch for it.